sekufike khona ke kuleso sikhathi sesifikile ke manje la kufanele ukuthi ngempela kubonakale ke ukuthi la ubani ke othatha ke le ndebe i-Jamming to Soccer yonyaka wesithathu njengoba kungu ye 2023 obakhahlelayo ke manje la ibona ke la ithi sibonela ugoalkeeper iyakubunye ugoalkeeper ithi sibonela ukuthi yenze njani ke eyokuqala eyangena na nange eyakulo bambulele lapha ugoalkeeper athi kushaya lapha iqembu leli ke le gospel bekuyena lapha ugoalkeeper ulindelana ingubo eshayileke la igoli lakhe 1-0.
In a penalty shootout, it's a lefty, and up he steps. It's a good save. Maskandi is denied, and look at that reaction from the gospel number one. Guessed the right side. Two strong, solid gloves behind it. Good goalkeeping, an advantage. Gospel, Joe.
Athi siboneke la kuya ukapteni umdlali ke ngempela kubo bonke abasesweni uye uDume Mkokstad lapha Mthumseni Nzimande na nomusa abadlali kodwa ke nange ngicabanga ukuthi ngoba uyawafika yena kuba final nange uMdume Mkokstad athi sibone ukuthi uyibeka phambili na igospel awayibeka uMdume Mkokstad kalula nje wamlatha ugoalkeeper.
Now then, the fourth penalty. Gospel perfect so far from the spot. Maskandi have to score, it's imperative. And they can feel that crowd slowly slipping away. Remember, they are the defending champions of the Jamming to Soccer crown. Can Lindelani save it again? He doesn't need to. Hits the frame of the goal. That's a huge moment, a turning point in this shootout, a turning point in this game and this tournament. The new inclusion, Gospel, the underdogs, might just win their first ever Jamming to Soccer title.
Kuthanda ukwesinda kwehlela kubona ke manje la abafana nange lapha ke usibona ukuthi bazoyikora na eyesithathu ke manje abayo la igospel uNathi Miya ukuthi wenze nje wayibeka phakathi uNathi Miya 3-0 manje Ungelo V fanele akore.
Now if my maths is correct, this is match point. A save from Lindelani in goal for Gospel will not only cement his prize for goalkeeper of the tournament, but the ultimate prize for this Gospel team. Lungelo steps up for Maskandi. The men in orange need to convert. If their story is to continue, rifles it into the top corner. No saving that one. Joe, the story continues.
Yebo, athi sibonela uma ngabe lebe ikora kuzobe kuphelile eqembini lika Maskandi ngoba kuzobe ku 4-1 noma azobe engasasebenzike la amabili. Nansi ke i-decider kuya uZamxolo indoda i-hat-trick uyena la umfana wase Eastern Cape ushaye i-hat-trick bedlala neGqom. Umfana ke wengangalala wakwangenela umncintiswano I Can Sing Gospel. uZamxolo athi sibone ukuthi uyayiwina le ndebe uyiwinela abe gospel. Nange manje la yena uZamxolo refani kuphelile wayibeka phakathi 4-1 uyena lapha uZamxolo igospel iwina okokuqala yona lapha i-Jamming to Soccer bewina ngonyaka ka 2023 kodwa bese kuvela ubonakala ukuthi oMaskandi bangahlulwa ama-penalty amabili okuqala umapensela okuqala iphuwa penalty ukwazi owesibili naye futhi weza nayo iphuwa penalty ukwazi iphoyethi lo singathi-ke usokondlo uyenzile-ke la indaba sibabongeleke abafana begospel kodwa-ke babonakisile nje emdlalweni wabo we-semi-final ukuthi bayayifuna noma kanjani le ndebe bayithathile-ke la indebe le asiboneke la nansi-ke i-winning penalty akekho ugoalkeeper obengabamba le penalty kaZamxolo underbar akekho wenza into azi umfana lo waba nama-trials ku-Free State Stars ukuthi abamthathanga ngana ngasi abalandeli-ke manje sebengene nasenkundleni konakele-ke emva komzamo ongaka wakhe laphana-ke ukhuzane ekugcineni nje bese sekuba-penalty kwi-lottery bahluleke-ke laphana ukuthi bashaye abaconverte njengoba ubona-ke lo njabulo engako igospel isebenzile siyayibongela ke bakhona abakhomba iminwe ukuthi hayi laba bafikile base bebuya-ke la kukhunjuzwana ukuthi phela lo ubekayicula igospel uZamxolo laphana-ke ngempela uyishayile-ke i-penalty winning penalty uRafani injabulo esimangaliso lihluliwe-ke iqembu lika lapha uGigi Masingi i-coach kwawina-ke ele-gospel lidlalile abafikanga ku-final ngephutha shothi usebenzile-ke la uManqoba lapha noMkhize akuthi uManqoba Mkhize ubekuGqom lapha uManqoba